Okay, let's take a look at the extension for multiplying polynomials, and this is where we're going to be applying it to finding the area. For this example or this video, we're just going to be talking about rectangles and squares. In the next video, we're going to talk about some other polygons and how to calculate the area with those polynomials. Now, I've already written out the area. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. So I wrote x plus 9 times the quantity x squared minus 4x plus 1. So we just talked about in the previous video how to multiply a binomial times a trinomial. You may choose if you want to do FOIL or if you want to set up a 2x3 box like we did for the last video. So you're going to be doing the same thing that you just did here. So what I'm going to have you do is pause the video real quick, and I'm going to pause it, work it out, and then check your answer. Okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're back, and hopefully you were able to work that out and got the same answer. Now, one thing I want you to check on yours, did you write A equals, so we know the area equals x to the third plus 5x squared minus 35x plus 9 units squared. Now, if this would have said centimeters, yards, feet, inches, I would have labeled it in that unit. Now, if there is no label, so we don't know what this is, then you need to use units squared because it's area. Now, number 2 and number 3, again, I'm going to pause the video just so that we can try to keep this video short and give you time to work it out. The area of a square is its side, so its side is x plus 3, the side squared. But be careful, it is not x squared plus 9. Please don't put that because you need to FOIL it out. There's something there in the middle. So you need to be careful. Whenever you see this squared, don't be tricked. Some of you guys are going to just fly right through it. So you need to rewrite this as x plus 3 times the quantity x plus 3. So that's what squared means, is the binomial times itself. So now FOIL that out. I'm going to pause again, FOIL it out, and see if you get the same answer that I do. All right, give it a shot. Okay, so hopefully you got x squared plus 6x plus 9 units squared for your square. So again, some of you may have just tried to square the x and the 3 and get x squared plus 9, but don't forget, there's something in the middle. Okay, the last one, I'm going to go ahead and show you the area of this rectangle, length times width or width times length. This is a really easy one because you're just distributing a monomial times a binomial. So when you distribute, your final answer will be x squared plus 10x units squared, and you have just done finding the area of rectangles and squares using polynomials. All right, we're going to try some more area problems in the next video.